If you're thinking about making the move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and you are looking to really stretch your dollar, in today's video, we're going to show you what kind of house you could expect to buy in the $350,000 price range. And we are in Glenpool, Oklahoma, which is just outside of Tulsa. You're about 20 minutes from downtown Tulsa, 15 minutes to Tulsa Hills, which has a Target, which has an Aldi's, Best Buy, Marshall's, Ross. We have all the big box stores, and a lot of people, when you're looking at the Tulsa, Oklahoma area, you think that you're not going to get shopping, you're not going to have conveniences, but Tulsa and our surrounding suburbs like Glenpool have access to so much. And download our relocation guide. You can scan the QR code, or the link is in the description. It will give you so much information about all the different suburbs and really help you decide where you want to be. Hi, I'm Sabrina Shaw. I'm a local real estate agent here in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area, and my team and I, we make these videos for you to give you that insider view from the top suburbs, the best neighborhoods, the pros and the cons, the lifestyle, and everything in between. And in full transparency, we make these videos so that when you're ready to reach out and make the move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, instead of calling some random agent online, that you reach out to us. So depending on the time that you're watching this video, this house may or may not be for sale. Again, we are in Glenpool, Oklahoma. Let's visit Kathy and see how far your dollar can stretch. Look at the cute, charming elevation here. Front door is adorable, and they have their little treats for the Amazon guys. All right, let's see Kathy.
Hey, Sabrina.
Hello.
How are you?
What'd you
Isn't that fun?
Yes.
Isn't that fun? I love this door. Welcome. I'm so excited about this tour today. This is such a charming property. We are in Glenpool, Oklahoma. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,918 square feet of privacy. This house checks all of the boxes. It's cozy, it's comfortable, and when I say charming, there's so much charm inside and out of this house. I cannot wait to show you around.
It is so cute, Kathy.
It
has
cute.
such a good vibe.
Doesn't it?
I love it. I love walking in this space. I love this door. I love the little peekaboo that you gave us.
I had to use the peekaboo because it was just too cute. But it's got a nice tall entryway.
It does.
And then even look just over here at the office. It's got these cute little, all this trim here with a window, and then a great office, and they use it as an exercise room.
Oh, nice.
It can
I see a yoga mat.
Yes. Office with tray ceilings, crown molding.
Oh, very nice. And the flooring is so pretty.
Everything in this house is in absolutely pristine condition, truly. So great room, and what a great size. I mean, this is big furniture in here. Big furniture and a big TV, but you've got a beautiful fireplace. Again, tall ceilings, more crown molding, and this is such a versatile space because of how big it is.
Yeah.
You know, you can really put anything in there, and then you have a fabulous kitchen. And I'm a big fan of the multi-layer kitchen,
right?
Because it's an island, but it's a breakfast area, but you can also hide all your things from your guests. So I love that.
I do too. You have 2 chairs. They have 2 chairs here, but I mean that can
You
easily
could
fit 4. Yeah, 6. You could do 6.
I mean, that's the kids' table
at
Thanksgiving, most definitely. And then look, I mean, it's got a gas range, but look at the size of this kitchen.
Oh my goodness.
It's a really great size.
It is.
I mean, we're at 1,918 square feet, and
it feels so spacious.
Doesn't it? I mean, you've got all of this counter space, and I love the black matte sink. You've got a gas range, and look at what great condition
these are
in.
Such good condition. And I was noticing the hardware on here too is super cute.
Well, she's got such an eclectic style.
Yes.
And I love everything she's got in her house. It just feels like I said, warm, cozy,
Yes.
charming, and she just nailed everything.
Yeah, it's got such a good, like, it feels really great in here. It's got just a really good vibe. I think houses, like when you go in, you can feel an energy, and so this one feels good, and like it feels really great in here. It makes you smile, so I love that. And then you've got the eating where, you know, you can do seating here if you just want informal eating, but you've got room for a dining. They have a little 4 circular table here, but they've also got plants and, you know, the necessities right down here.
I had a feeling that was going to be the bar cart.
Yep. So, you know, if you didn't have that, you could do an even, you know, bigger table, but unnecessary. Like, you don't need this. This is so, and then you've got this corner little hutch, and it's just so adorable. And even, like, I like this shelf right here that you can put plants on. So it's just warm and bright.
All right, so like I said, we've got 3 bedrooms. Look at this fireplace.
Yeah.
It's just massive, and then you can put a massive TV.
That is a massive TV, yes.
And that's got to be an 85-inch TV.
I think so.
So yeah, but you could, but it fits. It doesn't look, you know, too big in here. And all bedrooms are on this side of the house. And very, very, very spacious over here. You've got this cute little art shelf over here.
Oh, that's
and you'll appreciate
adorable.
that. There's a couple bottles of wine on it.
I appreciate that.
Staging at its finest.
Yes.
And I'm going to take you, well, let's go in here first.
Okay.
So this is one of 2 secondary bedrooms. Great size.
Yeah, that's
Isn't this
very
adorable?
nice size.
So you've got privacy over here, and you've got blinds on all of your windows.
And how's this closet?
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look.
So you've got walk-in closets everywhere.
That is a nice size closet.
Everything in this house, I mean, it's 1,918 square feet, and everything in here doesn't feel small. And sometimes when you walk into smaller footprint houses, but this one doesn't read that way at all. And it's got a great secondary bathroom, and it's just so cute.
Yep.
Everything in
Again,
here is
adorable.
just so cute.
I love this style.
And then another nice size. I mean, this is another nice size bedroom. Big tall ceilings, and another walk-in closet.
Oh, that closet is huge.
Yes. And again, privacy out the windows.
Oh, and this carpet looks so good.
It's brand new.
Brand new carpet. I was gonna say this looks like brand new carpet.
Good eye, Sabrina. This carpet is brand new.
Okay, and then so this is my first time. I haven't even explored yet. So here is our primary suite, and wow, it has. Oh my goodness, this is so big.
Isn't it cute?
I love it. I love the tall ceilings. I love the tray ceilings with the crown molding. I love that you have your little sitting area over here with, again, you've got windows here and natural light and greenery. So it just gives a beautiful vibe.
And the view, you know, you've got privacy, you've got sunlight.
I could totally be sitting here and, you know, doing my work, reading a book, having a glass of wine, having my morning coffee. Like, this is a really cool vibe right here. I like it.
Yeah, it really is. It's a great size bedroom. I mean, and again, they have very large furniture in here, and there's nothing about this that feels cramped.
No.
At all. So very, very good size. And then you have a great, you know, again, 1,900 square feet, and you have this size. I mean, this is a bigger bath than I see in a lot of, you know, 4,000 square foot homes. I mean, this is a big big primary bathroom with 2 separate vanities, a jacuzzi tub.
Nice. Wow.
And then your shower. It's got a water closet.
Wow.
And then a huge closet.
Oh wow, that tricked me.
Yes.
Wow, that is, yeah, I was not expecting that. Okay, that is a great size.
Isn't it massive?
Yes.
Yes, and then the inside of this house is fabulous, and a great size laundry room with lots of overhead storage. So good size, and then you also have a place to hang.
Oh, very nice.
So again, there's nothing that you're lacking for in this house whatsoever. It's just it's right sized. Like for a 3-bedroom house, it is so right sized. Nothing feels small in this house. Let me show you this garage. We were going to take you outside.
Okay.
But we also have a very large, oversized.
Oh my goodness.
3-car
Whoa.
garage. Isn't this huge?
Yes, it is.
So you've got a 3-car garage.
Wow. Wow.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, that's great space.
Yep.
We'll go back outside and you've got a coat closet here. So that's nice. And this space, you know, like you can get a great house in many, many places, but to get the outdoor space, that's just something special. So take a look at this lot.
And especially at this price point. I mean,
Right.
we're at $350,000.
$350,000. I've seen what some of you guys have for $350,000 in your high-cost states. Look at this. Wow. This is, I love all the green. You can sit, you can enjoy. I have a view of a pond. Oh, the little ducky family's gone.
Aww.
But there were the cutest little ducks out, which you'll see. I took video of it. You had the little duck family here. You could, you know, you've got that little bridge. It is so peaceful
Isn't
and
it?
lovely here.
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so you're not getting direct sun. So you're not getting pounded or hammered with sun, and that's because they have this beautiful pergola and this covered patio. And then you come out here and it's got the great split rail fences, which is, so your view's not obstructed, but then you have a really nice sized yard.
So, you know, a lot of times when you have the split rail, you still have to worry about privacy. But look at this. You are never going to have anybody behind you. So no one's going to build behind you.
Wow.
So you have all this space and privacy, so it doesn't feel like, it just feels like you're opened up to massive acreage and so much like green and water are stress relieving and make you happy.
Yeah. This house makes me happy.
This house makes me
This
happy.
house totally makes me happy.
Oh, so again, this house may or may not be for sale at the time you're watching this video, but in Glenpool, Oklahoma, this is how far you can expect your dollar to stretch for $350,000. Beautiful, cute neighborhood. And again, if you're thinking about making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, doesn't matter if you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, reach out to us. We would love to show you around and help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma.